Right now, your Android phone is quietly sending your data to Google and third-party apps, and most people have no idea it's happening. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly which settings are doing this and how to turn them off. This works on any Android phone including Samsung, OnePlus, and Google Pixel. Let's get into it.
The first setting is called the advertising ID. Every Android phone has one. It's a unique code that follows you across every app on your phone. When you open Instagram, then a shopping app, then a news app, that ID connects all of it. Companies use it to build a profile on you and serve you targeted ads. Here's how to delete it permanently. Open Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. Scroll down under Privacy and tap Privacy Controls. Then tap Ads. Tap Add Privacy. In here, tap Add Topics and tap the button to disable it. Do the same for App Suggested Ads and Add Measurement. Then go back and tap Delete Advertising ID. Tap the Delete Advertising ID button at the bottom to confirm. Once it's gone, apps can no longer link your behavior across different apps. I'm showing this on a Google Pixel. On other Android phones, the menu names may look slightly different, but the settings and results are the same. The second setting is called Usage and Diagnostics. This is turned on by default on almost every Android phone, and most people have never even heard of it. What it does is send data about how you use your phone back to Google. Things like which apps you open, how long you spend in each one, and what happens when an app crashes. You never agreed to this. Let's turn it off. Go to Settings, then Security and Privacy. Scroll down to Other Settings and tap More Security and Privacy. Scroll down again and tap Usage and Diagnostics. Toggle it off. Done. Google doesn't need a report on your daily habits. This next one is going to shock a lot of you. Google has been quietly keeping a record of everywhere you've ever been, every restaurant, every hospital visit, every address, and saving it to your account across all your devices. It's called Timeline. Here's how to find it and shut it down. Go to Settings, then Location Services, then tap Timeline. It will ask you to choose your Google account. Tap it. You'll land on the Timeline page. If yours is on, you'll see it says Timeline is on. Tap the Turn Off button. A menu drops down with two options: Turn Off, which is 1 step, or Turn Off and Delete Activity, which is 2 steps. I recommend the second one. Tap Turn Off and Delete Activity. You'll see a screen explaining that Timeline will no longer save visits, routes, or trips to your devices. Tap Next. Now it asks you to confirm you want to delete your Timeline data permanently. Tap Delete. Deletion complete. Your location history is gone, permanently deleted from your account and all your devices. This should have been off by default. It wasn't, now it is. This one catches everyone off guard. You probably downloaded dozens of apps over the years and forgot about half of them. But those apps, they might still have access to your microphone, your camera, and your exact location right now in the background. Let's audit them. Go to Settings, then Security and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Privacy Controls, then tap Permission Manager. Tap Microphone. Look at this list. Every app here has permission to use your mic. Ask yourself, does this app actually need to hear you? If the answer is no, revoke it. When you tap any app, you'll see 3 choices: Allow only while using the app, Ask every time, or Don't allow. For any app that has no good reason to use your microphone, tap Don't allow. If you're not sure, set it to Ask every time. That way, the app has to ask your permission before it can listen. Now, do the same thing for camera. And for location, look out for any apps set to Allow all the time. Change those to Only while using the app. That stops apps from tracking your location in the background when you're not even using them. This whole audit takes about 3 minutes, and it's worth every second. The last one surprises people every time. Even when your Wi-Fi is turned off and your Bluetooth is turned off, your phone can still be scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices in the background. Google uses this to improve location accuracy, but it also means your phone is constantly looking around even when you told it not to. Here's how to stop it. Go to Settings, then tap Location Services. Scroll to the bottom and you'll see Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Turn both of them off. Your phone will still connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth normally. It just won't snoop in the background anymore. That's 5 settings. Ad ID, usage and diagnostics, location history, app permissions, and nearby scanning. Go through them right now. It takes less than 5 minutes and your phone will be a lot less chatty. If this helped you, subscribe. I post Android tutorials like this every week. Drop a comment telling me which setting surprised you the most. I'm betting it's the location history one. And if you want to go even further and block ads completely on your Android with no extra apps needed, that video is on your screen right now. Go watch it next.